evening. You're watching News Edge with me, Pramada Tyagi. And today, polling for the second of the 7 phases of the Lok Sabha elections is underway. As many as 88 constituencies from 13 states and union territories will cast their votes to decide the fate of over 1,200 candidates. India is holding the world's largest elections. By the end of Friday, polling will conclude in all Lok Sabha seats of Kerala, Rajasthan, Manipur and Tripura. The voting is already over in all seats of Tamil Nadu, Uttarakhand, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Nagaland, Pondicherry, Sikkim and Lakshadweep after the first phase on 19th April. As electors head to polling booths aimed at rising temperatures, let's take a look at the key contests to keep an eye on in the second phase. Kerala's all 20 Lok Sabha constituencies will go to polls on Friday. The state is set to host 2 high-pitch electoral battles, one in Wayanad, another one in Thiruvananthapuram. Congress Rahul Gandhi is hoping to get elected from Wayanad for the second time. He is facing competition from N.E. Raja of the Communist Party of India. Both Congress and CPI are part of the opposition India bloc, which is challenging Prime Minister Narendra Modi's led National Democratic Alliance. The Bharatiya Janata Party has given a ticket to its state unit chief K. Surendran, who has made it a 3-way fight in Wayanad. Gandhi, who has lost Congress bastion of Amethi in Uttar Pradesh in 1920 to BJP Smriti Irani, had won the Wayanad Lok Sabha seat by a record margin of 4,31,770 votes. It remains to be seen if Wayanad will prove to be Congress' safe seat again. Senior leader Shashi Tharoor is fighting against Union Minister Rajiv Chandrasekhar of the BJP from Thiruvananthapuram, while the Grand Old Party leader seeks to clinch the seat for a 4th consecutive term. His rival hopes to unseat him and emerge as a giant killer. The BJP has emerged second from the poll seat in the last 2 Lok Sabha polls, which has increased its hope to make inroads in Kerala this time. 14 of the southern states' 28 Lok Sabha seats are voting on Friday. It will witness a clash between former Karnataka Chief Minister of Janata Dal, which is an ally of the BJP. 8 of Uttar Pradesh's 80 Lok Sabha seats are in the fray in the second phase. Bollywood star Hema Malini is seeking re-election from the Mathura Lok Sabha seat on a BJP ticket. She has been winning the constituency for the Saffron Party since 2014. As she is aiming for a 3rd straight term, questions have arisen over Malini's absence from the constituencies and showing up only during elections. The Congress has filed Mukesh Dhangar, who is the India bloc candidate from Mathura. Chaudhary Suresh Singh of the Bahujan Samaj Party is also Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla is again contesting from the Kota Lok Sabha constituencies on a BJP ticket. However, Prahlad Gunjal's entry in the ferry has made it a tough contest for Birla. Former Chhattisgarh CM Bhupesh Bhagal is testing his fortune, where he will be facing the sitting BJP MP Santosh Pandey. The BJP is banking on actor Arun Govind, who played Lord Rama in the popular TV serial Ramayana, to win the Meerut Lok Sabha seat. The Saffron Party's decision to replace 3-time MP Rajendra Agrawal did not go well with its rank and file. The Samajwadi Party Congress Alliance has filed a Dalit candidate, Sunita Verma, while the BSP has given a ticket to Devrat Kumar Tyagi. In 2019, the BJP had won the seat with a narrow margin of 5,000 votes against Yaqub Qureshi of the SP-BSP RLD Alliance candidate. Purnia is among the 5 Lok Sabha constituencies in Bihar voting in second phase. The sitting MP Santosh Kushwaha of the Janata Dal, which is an ally of the BJP, is weighing for a 3rd term from the seat. Well, that's all we have for the day. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you tomorrow with a bigger update.